Imagine driving at night on a dark road. The traffic behind you can barely see your car, fog starts rolling in, and visibility drops. In situations like this, even a small lighting upgrade can make a big difference in safety and style. That's exactly where modern LED bumper lights come in. Today we're looking at a unique lighting upgrade designed specifically for performance-style vehicles. The GAZOZ Performance F1 Style 4th Brake and Fog Light Kit. This small but powerful rear bumper light not only enhances visibility, but also adds a sleek motorsport-inspired look to your car. What this car light actually is. The GAZOZ Performance Light is a rear bumper LED light inspired by Formula One racing cars. It's designed to sit in the lower rear bumper and function as an additional brake and fog light. Unlike standard rear lights that come built into the car, this upgrade provides an extra lighting signal at the center of the bumper, making it easier for drivers behind you to see when you brake or drive in poor weather conditions. This kit is specifically designed for 2022 to 2027 Subaru WRX VB models, and it uses a plug-and-play installation system, so it can connect directly to the vehicle's wiring without complex modifications. Why extra rear lighting matters. Rear lighting is one of the most important safety elements in any vehicle. When you brake, the lights signal drivers behind you to slow down. However, in bad weather like fog, heavy rain, or snow, those signals can sometimes become harder to see. This is why many performance vehicles and racing cars use additional rear fog or brake lights. Adding a bumper-mounted LED light improves visibility and gives drivers behind you a clearer warning signal. Which cars this light is designed for? The GAZOZ Performance F1 Style Light also fits the 2015 to 2021 Subaru WRX STI VA platform. That means it fits perfectly with the design of the WRX rear bumper and integrates smoothly into the vehicle's styling. Cars compatible with this light include 2015 to 2021 platform and 2022 to onwards. These vehicles are popular among car enthusiasts because they combine performance with customization potential. Lighting upgrades like this are especially common among WRX owners who enjoy modifying their cars to achieve a unique appearance and improve functionality. You also have the option to switch the flashing light feature on or off for track days from the driver's seat of the car. You simply hold the brake pedal down and turn your headlights on and then off 3 times. How this light improves your car. One of the biggest advantages of this LED light is that it offers 2 functions in one unit. First, it works as an additional tail light, adding a constant rear glow that increases visibility. Second, it acts as a brake light, which becomes brighter when you press the brake pedal to alert drivers behind you. Because it sits low on the bumper, it creates a very noticeable signal that drivers behind your car can easily see. Another advantage is the high brightness of LED technology. LEDs produce stronger light while consuming less power compared to older halogen bulbs. And since the design is weather resistant and durable, it can withstand harsh driving conditions such as rain, dust, and road debris. Real driving situations where this light helps. Night driving. When driving on dark roads or highways, the extra rear light improves your car's visibility to other drivers. Foggy weather. Fog lights are especially helpful when visibility drops dramatically. This additional rear light helps drivers see your vehicle sooner. Heavy rain. During heavy rainstorms, reflections in water spray can hide brake lights. Extra lighting makes braking signals clearer. Installation and ease of use. Another feature that makes this light appealing is the plug-and-play installation design. Instead of complicated wiring, the kit connects directly to the vehicle's electrical system. This means many users can install it themselves without professional help. Most installations take less than an hour, depending on experience with basic car modifications. The GAZOZ Performance F1 Style rear bumper light combines modern LED technology, improved road safety, and motorsport-inspired design in one compact package. For Subaru WRX owners looking to enhance their car's visibility and give it a more aggressive performance look, this lighting upgrade is definitely worth considering. Feel free to place your order today on our websites and upgrade your driving experience.